Yo, what the fuck? Just changed some money. Got money in my pocket. Now, I am about to get something to eat. Yes, I am. I am ending my intro with this kitty. Found him. You know he has a family because he came up. He's like, oh, you know how to pet me. The wilder ones, the ones that I was by the beach, they don't let you do this. Who's a good kitty? Alright, I'm gonna say goodnight. I ate my tacos. Alright, he's outie. I ate my tacos. I'm going to sleep. I ate. I'm gonna read my book probably, like do a little chapter or so from my chapter, and then we're gonna be Gucci. Had some rice water. I like mine sweet, to be honest, but this was a little dull on the sweet side. See you guys tomorrow. Yo, it smells so good out here. Ooh, he's making fresh chicken. Bro, that. I'm gonna buy some fresh chicken, hopefully. Real talk, I think you guys saw that helicopter. That was the intro. I'm like, yo, that's me. Like, I always get goosebumps when I see a helicopter and I imagine myself in the helicopter. There it goes again. Where is it? It's coming. Whatever. You guys see it? I'm getting goosebumps right now, man. But it feels some type of way to know that you'll be in a helicopter, you'll own a helicopter, you'll have enough wealth, and build enough value to people around you to afford a helicopter. That being said, just got up like a couple minutes ago. I'm walking to this back alley, but I just got... Oh. I'm walking to this back alley to see what's up. But like I was saying before, building wealth, building value is where it's at. Right now, I kind of fucked up my planner, but I'm starting my planning for the day. Look at this chicken. That's a big ass chicken. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Come on. Alright. Oh. He doesn't want to say anything. He's shy. He's camera shy. Look at the puppy. Look at the puppy. He wants to play. He wants to play. There's a puppy. He wants to play. Hey, puppy. Oh, look at, he's sad. I'm sorry, buddy. I need to go plan out my day. The helicopter is still cruising by. This is a longer intro than usual, so later clips are going to be a little bit shorter. That being said, I hope you guys have a great morning. Don't forget to plan out your day because honestly, it does help tremendously. just because you can go back on the paper and say, hey, what do I have to do around this time? Oh, right, I have to do this and this and accomplish this. That's how I use it. As right now I'm at the point where I need to write down my goals, but this chopper was like distracting me, man. It's like I was getting goosebumps, and it was just like I can't not record it because I feel like it's a part of it. So the journey is there. I'm gonna go to the little local fuck around store, I guess. They have like a whole bunch of fireworks, little toys and shit like that. But yeah, I'll see you guys later if I find anything interesting. I have to do my push-ups real quick, 40 of them. I need to start an affirmation. I need to start meditating in the morning. And planning out my day, drinking water. I haven't drank water. Upload to social media, finishing up editing yesterday's video, and then pressing the upload button to that. And then that's pretty much it. I'll check in with you guys later. Yeah, if I find anything interesting. Yo, what's up? Quick update. I got one of the shop owner's dog. Look at him. Hey, he's a good boy. Oh, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Look at him. Look at him. All right. We're going on a walk. Yeah. Hey. All right. So I'm gonna go for a run real quick, get some energy out of him, and then I'm gonna return him super exhausted. I'll see you guys a little bit if I find anything interesting. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. All right. I'll see you guys. Just dropped off the little guy. I might go see him later. Just put water where he needs it. He's gonna be chilling. I am gonna go grab my book, go to the beach and read. I'll see you guys after I'm done reading a couple pages, or I might go and apply. One of the two. Yo, what the fuck? Just changed some money. Got money in my pocket. Now, I am about to get something to eat. Yes, I am. I am ending my intro with this kitty. Found him. You know he has a family because he came up. He's like, oh, you know how to pet me. The wilder ones, the ones that I was by the beach, they don't let you do this. Who's a good kitty? Alright, I'm gonna say goodnight. I ate my tacos. Alright, he's outie. I ate my tacos. I'm going to sleep. I ate. I'm gonna read my book, probably like do a little chapter or so of my chapter, and then we're gonna be Gucci. Had some rice water. I like mine sweet, to be honest, but this was a little dull on the sweet side. See you guys tomorrow.